Hello, my flourishing friends! I hope you're doing fine and are up for some crafting today. Let's leave the hello there for today. I think it's nice. So, what I have for you today is something non-paper crafting related. Who thought about that? I went to a nice shop the other day. It's called the Flying Tiger Shop. I think it's from Sweden or something. And they had this DIY kit to make your own earrings. And since I love jewels, I thought I'd give it a try and take you guys along with me. I hope we don't fail. We're gonna see about it. I never did something like this before, so chances are. Let's open it. I didn't open it yet, so it's really a surprise for all of us. I think it's a nice thing to do, to make it yourself. Yeah, so you created it. And it was fairly cheap. I think it was $2.99 or something, so yeah. So here we have what's inside. It's the kit apparently, and instructions. Doesn't look that hard. I'm not good with sewing, but yeah, we gotta figure it out. You should think I had to think about that earlier, that I'm not that good, but yeah. I always go for it and try. Better try and fail than never try. I'm gonna leave those here. Instructions, don't want like I do. There we go. So let's look what we've got. We've got ribbon. We've got 2 of those springs. We've got the earring thingies themselves. And the hangers. Without those, they won't become earrings. And a little, it's like a needle, but it's made out of plastic. I hope you can see it. It's really cute. So maybe the idea is that kids also can work with it, which I really like. Yeah, apparently we just put the ribbon in the needle and then we wrap it around between this part and those. So let's go. Already starts with the ribbon. The ribbon doesn't want to cooperate. So before I begin, I wish all of us luck. I know it sounds a bit negative, but I tend to really fuck those things up. Really good with paper crafting, but everything out of the line is usually not for me. But when we don't try, we cannot grow. So that's the status on the ribbon. I don't know how that happened. I'm gonna see if I can fix it, and then I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, guys, I've got the ribbon situation under control now. What I did, I laid it really down on the floor and then cut it in half. So I have now 2 equal pieces because it doesn't say how long it should be for one side. And I already put it in the needle. And now we're gonna just start. Let's see, does it say something in particular? Yeah, we have to, I think, make a knot there. Do we? I'm gonna, oh no, you have to wrap it around. And there we go. And then go back up. And into the next hole. Okay, I did a few holes now. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna finish this one and show you how it looks when I'm done, because I figured it's quite time consuming. Let me do that and I'm gonna come back. Just some random information while I'm doing this. If you hear snoring in the background, that's not me snoring away. That's my little doggy. She fell asleep while I was setting up, and yeah, she looked so peaceful. I didn't want it to wake her up, so now she's laying next to me, snoring like she's a wood chipper. Do you say it like that? No, I don't think so. Well, you get my drift. Yay, halfway done. It really takes time. I did not see that coming, but it looks really cool. I really like it. I chose this kit, this particular one, because I love gold jewels, and I also have a nice red dress for Christmas, and I thought those earrings go really well with the dress. I, by the way, decided halfway through to not go with the needle anymore because it annoyed me. It fell off all of the time. So I'm just gonna stick the ribbon in and out because the holes are big enough. Okay, let's continue. And it takes time. So I'm gonna put those, how you call it? Like lift music. Yeah, it takes really forever here, but Sunday is also a day to relax, so I'm gonna take my time with this. Okay, I finished the first one. This is how it looks now. I'm gonna tie it up now. And then I try to cut it as close to the knot as possible. There we go. First one done. I think it looks pretty similar to the picture. What do you say? On to number 2. Let's go. Oh gosh. I tried to do this now 3 times and it always slipped out. This is definitely something for people that are really patient. I'm not the most patient today, I guess. On the edge of screaming here. But we're gonna make it happen. So I'm gonna say I tangle it a bit around it, and I'm gonna come back to you in a bit because it really takes some time to do it. I mean, I don't not enjoy it, but yeah, like I said, you have to be a bit patient, and yeah, that's not for me today. I don't know, but they look so pretty, so they're definitely worth it. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Gosh. So the plastic needle is not good after all. It, the ribbon slips off. So we're gonna do that. Halfway through the second one. Time for tea. And we go further. Actually, when you get the hang of it, it's pretty relaxing. And the ribbon is just like testing me here. Oh gosh. Okay, second one done. Woohoo! Here we have our 2 bases from the earrings. They look so cool. Patience paid off. What we have to do now is take the hanger thingies, put the little spring through, attach to the earring. Then you just bend it together like so, and that's the first earring done. And we take the second one, put the spring in, put it to the base, and bend it together. There we go. That was really fast. It was so easy. Yeah, like I think I mentioned it. You need to be a bit patient, but that's okay. Yeah, they turn out really perfectly. Yeah, here's the package again. If you go to the Flying Tiger shop, definitely check out their kits. They have like different ones, like 10 or something. I'm gonna get others for sure. Maybe that's something for another video. Yeah, and that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle with ribbon. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. Even though I had to cuss a bit, you probably not gonna see because I'm gonna cut it out of the video. I'm gonna pop them in now and see how they look in the mirror. Wish you guys a nice day, and I look forward to the next time. Bye! Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles, and hugs. Your Lisa.